Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be teaching you all how to achieve this viral cucumber and tomato stew. So first I went to the market and got my fresh cucumbers. So this is me after I had peeled off the back of the cucumber. So I made sure I diced it, I sliced it, so I was able to take out all the seeds in the cucumber. I don't know why, but I saw it on Instagram and I followed suit. So I peeled off I took off the seeds of the cucumber, rinsed it properly, then blended it in my blender. This is it. You need to blend it so smooth so it feels like a tomato. I don't know if you get what I mean. So I also had to blend my tomato, pepper, ginger, garlic, and I think that was pretty much it. And tomatoes. I started off by frying the tomato, which I had already blended. So this is it frying. It was almost dry at this point. So I poured in my cucumber in it. At this point, I was scared because it was looking all white. I was like, what is happening? Oh, Instagram will kill me today. Oh, I was really scared at this point because it wasn't turning red. I was like, what have I done wrong? Was the cucumber more than the tomato? But then subsequently, it blended up and then it's already looking at like a stew. Yeah, it was looking all red and a stew. Though I added sachet tomato and then all these red spices like spicy tea and the likes to the tomato itself. Okay, to my stew, I always do that. So this is it boiling perfectly. I added my protein to it. It was intentionally meant to be a fish stew because my husband loves fish stew a lot. So this is it looking all delicious, and trust me, it is one of the best stews I have ever made. It tasted so nice and so fresh. You really want to try it. Take it from me, it is really worth it.